Hey, Carly, right? Come here, I need you now.
That one. That's always the greatest one. And you come out with the greatest.
You scared me? I know. I knew you.
Where are you leaving us for? I knew you. You're going home. You're going to spend the rest of the time with your family. Okay?
There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
Hey Jacko, what's going on? How are you? Yeah?
What's up?
Oh, she's crying. Now I'm crying. There, aren't you, Mom? Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Aw, I'm gonna cry too. Sit him.
When'd you come?
Last night. I wasn't gonna
Oh, Timur, you're gonna love this. Alright.
Melissa.
You gotta get up now, okay? Can you start waking up?
Morning. Act like she misses it for some reason.
It didn't take long for you to wake up today. Happy Thanksgiving. There's your Christmas present I went and got last night. Alyssa? Merry Christmas.
Just walk in. Hi, Hannah. Hi. It's supposed to be happy. Why are you crying?
Aww. I'm recording.
Why?
Because I have a surprise for you.
What's my surprise?
Well, your surprise.
I knew for a month, and I didn't tell you guys. Dad,
Ah!
I was gonna tell you.
Oh my! I knew I saw somebody in the car.
We're gonna try to do our best to surprise your mom.
We're gonna surprise your mom. Don't tell her. We're gonna surprise her.
It's gonna be.
We're gonna have her call while she's here. Have Paul call like home from Afghanistan, then come in from behind her.
That's awesome.
Are you still gonna go? We can go and come back. You can talk to him. He's here for 2 weeks.
I'll be here till Thursday. I'll be here for my birthday. I thought I got a prom. That prom's on the birthday.
Okay. So, I just graduated airborne school. My brother and sister were really excited to go see me. Now, I think I'm on a bus to North Carolina to Fort Bragg, but I came home. I'm here to surprise him. Alright, so my dad's gonna go get him. My mom's gonna record him. It's sad.
I need help. We had to bring everything back. Just tried helping grab. Dang it. I got a text from him just now. Hang on.
The fact that he couldn't take.
Hang on, I got a text from him.
That's what he said?
What?
I guess you did bring something.
How did that happen?
Oh.
Really?
Why do you call it Dorito?
What? Did you know this from him? No. We didn't tell anybody. Because we didn't want anybody to